Hi, everyone. My name is Alicia Martin, and I live in the central Pennsylvania area. And I'm assuming that the stage of life that I am in is midlife, considering that I graduated from the University of Pittsburgh over 20 years ago with an undergraduate degree in sociology. Upon graduation, I became a therapeutic staff support in the Pittsburgh area. And then I moved to Maryland, where I worked with adults who had mental illness in group homes. Then I moved back to the Harrisburg area, where I worked with adults who had intellectual disabilities, along with mental illness, who lived in group homes, some lived in apartments. And then I've been spending the past 10 years working as a social service coordinator in nursing homes. And throughout my career, I have come in contact with people that have all had traumatic experiences. And this is one of the reasons why I wanted to pursue the MSW program, because I am seeing that it is pervasive no matter where I work or what career path I've taken. So it is my goal to serve this underserved population, and hopefully get them the treatment that they deserve. Thank you so much.